On last week's episode, we traveled to Copper, Colorado for a much-needed break from tiny living and to get some very important work done to the camper. This week, we're joined by a dear friend. The kids get to try snowboarding, and we find out what's going on with our camper. Come join us.
All right, so Paula is coming upstairs, and Jen doesn't know. She's in the other room, so she's not gonna be in the living room, so the kids are gonna spoil the surprise. But I'm gonna see what I can do to get her to come out. So, but Paula's coming up the elevator, exciting. Paula is the lovely person who let us stay in her condo, and she came for a surprise visit. All right, you guys ready for your surprise? I got it right out here.
I really have.
Get out of the way.
No, Connor, you got it.
Not before she got here. Yay! Look, Connor! We haven't seen you in years on my way now.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
After all of our greetings, a little dinner, it was time to head out into the snow and play.
It's not all fun and games this week at Copper Mountain. We came here, yes, to enjoy the snow and our friend's amazing condo, but we're also here to get our camper fixed. So we've got a weak floor, and I've had a guy come out and inspect it. So today the guy is coming to fix everything. He's got to drop out the freshwater tank from underneath. I had to come, you can see the cord back there, and start the generator so that we could thaw everything out. I am here, I don't know if I said this, it's early. So I got up before 6 to get out here to start heating this thing up so he can do his work when he gets here. That means I'm working in the truck today. I have all day meetings for work. So I will be sitting in my truck working, and it's 26 degrees outside. So it's not all glamorous. Life on the road can be tough. We have our own problems and issues that arise. So yeah, let's get to it.
The next day, the kids got fitted for a snowboard and skis. They were ready to hit the slopes. Cooper ended up deciding that skis were not for him and decided to try snowboarding. Don't go backwards, don't go backwards. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job, dude. Go, Coop. Good job. Good. Keep going. You did great. Good job. No, you're good. You were good. This is our cat walking on the balcony. We're 4th floor. Even the cat enjoys copper.
So I thought it'd be a good time to tell you guys exactly what happened, what the problem was, what the solution we came up with, and working with the vendor or manufacturer, and all that good stuff. So talk to our guy, so our mobile tech. After much investigation, we figured out that the floors on ultralights just aren't meant to, withstand all the abuse that we're giving it. They're really thin, and so they're just wearing out where we step the most. So this problem is literally where everybody has to walk every single time you want to go anywhere in the camper. So that being said, he contacted Keystone, which is the manufacturer for Kodiak, or for Dutchman. And basically we came up with a plan with them that we would reinforce the floor from the underside, which is why we need to take out the freshwater tank and remove the bottom insulation. That's what it is. So we have to take out the tank, remove the insulation from underneath the camper so we can get access to that area. And then what we're going to do is put some L brackets in and then some steel plates that attach to those to reinforce the floor from underneath. So when you sit down on it, it's not going to compress anymore. So that's the plan. If you'd like to get more information about what we did, how we fixed it, pictures and behind the scenes info, head on over to our Patreon page where you can become a member to get insider access to everything cruising with the Clemons.
On one of our last days, we got to watch the Red Bull Jump and Freeze contest. We had so much fun watching all of these snowboarders and skiers jump into the freezing cold water. So today's the day that we are leaving Copper.
That wraps up our week at Copper.
Yeah. It's actually, we ended up having to extend our stay. Thankfully, there was nobody coming into the condo. But we were so fortunate to be able to do that. It's literally snowed every other day.
Yep.
I woke up to snow, and now the water is like pouring off the roofs of it melting, but they're expecting more snow this weekend. So we did some stuff we hadn't done before.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a good time. What was everybody's favorite thing this trip? Bryce?
The donuts, Miss Dawson coming, and snowboarding.
Okay, Kennedy?
Mine had to be the same thing as him.
Donuts before Miss Dawson. Cooper?
Miss Dawson, donuts, snowboarding, and Easter.
And Easter.
And Easter, yeah, we had Easter.
My favorite thing was Miss Dawson. I'm so thankful that I got to, like, Mark and her did an awesome job, like, planning this, like, months ago. I had no idea, so I was super shocked when she walked in. So,
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
Having a place to work. Having a nice big desk and table to work.
I know what else was a favorite for the both of us.
The shower.
The shower.
Yes!
The shower.
Showers.
It's not that we don't have a shower in our camper. It's just this one I can go woo and not touch anything.
Yeah.
There's 2 shower heads. It's pretty amazing. I'm gonna miss that.
And there's no time limit on it.
And there's no time limit.
All right, next week we'll be in Fort Collins and then up at Devil's Tower in Wyoming.
Yep. And with a little quick stop at Fort Laramie.
So check that out.
Yes.
And then, do all the liking and subscribing on all that nonsense.
Yep.
Thank you, Dawsons, for
Yes.
letting us stay. Because I don't think we said that.
No. Thank you to the Dawsons for letting us stay.
You guys are the best.
Yes, this has become a, I think I said this at the beginning of our video, this has become like kind of our home away. Well, it's one of our home places. Like, I think there's like 2 places that I consider home.
Yeah.
Because we don't have an actual sticks and bricks home anymore.
Yeah.
And this is one of those places. And I'm so thankful that we got to come out here and see it again.
All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hi.